Alright, got another unboxing for you, and this time it's Nerdblock Junior, and I've never seen what they put in these Junior blocks, so I'm quite interested to see. Guessing it's going to be more along the lines of toys, and I'm pretty sure there's no t-shirt in it. So let's jump in. This is a little bit cheaper than the other ones. Alright, I can see something I like straight away. I'm already glad I got this. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Leonardo. I like that. Clip and go. Let's see what else we have. It's an Angry Bird. Oh, it's kind of a wind chime. Yep, Angry Birds wind chime. What else have we got? Super Snow, instantly makes snow. Just add water and stir. Okay. What else do we have? This big item here. Oh, there's something in it. Not sure what this is. Feels decent quality. Plushies. Featuring your favourite emoji. Yeah, feels good quality, that's nice. And this Sonic the Hedgehog item. This isn't like a flimsy disposable one. This is like thick plastic. Comes with a lid. Oh, there's a straw over there as well. Again, this isn't like a disposable straw, this is a proper thick one. Good quality, that. And there's some kind of magazine or comic in here as well. Owl. Yeah, it's just got comics in it, little articles, probably jokes and things aimed at kids, isn't it? Puzzles. And I think that's all. And usual Shirt Punch credit. You probably saw that code there, but I've got loads of them. So this is next month's Nerdblock Junior, Nerf, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Sonic the Hedgehog. Well, two of those we've already had, haven't we? This month. Nerf, that's the toy guns, isn't it? The foam darts. Can you reach the end of the maze? No. And this is just everything we got. So, everybody didn't get Leonardo. There was obviously the 4 turtles, and there was a few different emojis here. Oh, emoji backpack clips there. And a few different wind chimes. And everyone got the Sonic and the comic. Oh yeah. Okay. Pretty impressive, that block. I didn't think there'd be so much in it. But it's cheaper than the others. So yeah, if you've got any questions, leave me a comment or just say hi. Or not. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.